Hello, my amazing people. I've got another amazing video I want us to watch together. Let me know what you think about this video. Let's watch this.
I have spent over 30 years mending broken homes and stitching together hearts that were torn by pride. And if there is one thing I have learned, it is that a daughter who carries her mother's whip into her husband's house will soon find herself walking back home alone. Many of you grew up in a house where the fireplace was cold because your mother's voice was the only one that mattered. You saw your father, a man of peace, bow his head in silence while your mother made every decision and silenced his opinions before they could even breathe. You thought that was the portrait of a perfect family, and you believed your father's silence was his weakness when it was actually his sacrifice for the sake of peace. But listen to me carefully, because the eye of an elder sees from a sitting position what a young person cannot see, even if they climb the tallest palm tree. The forest you are entering is different from the garden where you grew up. The river that flows quietly in your father's compound might be a raging cataract in another man's land. 99% of the men in this world were not carved from the same wood as your father. And they will not stand by while you try to turn their throne into your footstool. If you go into marriage with the aim of being the commander-in-chief, you will find yourself marrying 5 different men and losing them all before you realize that the problem is not the soil, but the seed you are planting. A man is built by the ancestors to carry the heavy responsibilities of the home. But a woman must prepare her heart for submission if she wants that home to stand. Do not mistake submission for slavery. For the neck is not a slave to the head, yet it is the neck that determines where the head turns. When a woman tries to be the dictator, she is like a person trying to build a house starting from the roof. No reasonable man wants to live with a lioness who roars at him every morning. Kill that attitude today, bury it deep in the earth, and let it stay there before your wedding day. Remember that a prideful heart is like a heavy pot of soup carried on the head. Eventually, it will spill and scald the one carrying it. Be the salt that gives the soup taste, not the stone that breaks the teeth of the one eating it. Your husband is not your father, and your mother's methods will only lead you to a lonely old age if you do not learn to honor the man you have chosen to walk with. Wisdom is a treasure, and only those who are humble enough to bend can pick it up from the ground. Listen to the words of an elder, for the words of our elders are like a lamp in the dark, and those who ignore them will surely stumble even where the path is straight. Save yourself the trouble today so that your tomorrow may be filled with peace. Please do me a favor and share this video. I need many women to see it. Gracias.
This video is so amazing. Thank you so much for watching with me. I hope you learned something new today. Bye and have a blessed day.